How to fix Forza Horizon 6 audio crackling problem, 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the audio crackling issue in Forza Horizon 6 on PC. First, open the Xbox app. From the left sidebar, select Forza Horizon 6. Next, click the three-dot menu next to the game and choose Manage. In the Files tab, click Verify and Repair, then select Yes to begin the process. Wait for the verification to finish before launching the game again. Once the game is open, go to Settings, then navigate to the Audio section. Set player CAR to 25. For some players, setting this value higher than 25 can cause audio crackling or distortion. If you're still experiencing the issue, try avoiding the Chevrolet Camaro Z1 and Silvia K89, as some players have reported audio problems while using these vehicles. That's it. These steps should help resolve the audio crackling issue in Forza Horizon 6. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.